How y'all doing, man? We back. Finally got this bad boy out. His water pump here. You probably might not be able to see it so good in this video, but just for a quick second here, just kind of want to show you the difference between a bad water pump and a good one. If you shake it like this and the bearing is still rotating, that's how you know the bearing inside your water pump is bad. You can sit there and spin it freely like a joy toy. Then you get you hold of your new water pump. You gotta grab it. You ain't no spinning it. You have to grab it. This is how you know you got a good water pump, good bearing. And when I shake it, the bearing doesn't rotate over. It sits still. It should be more stiff. If that makes sense. It should be more stiff. It shouldn't be so loose. Kind of the same thing as kind of like a wheel bearing here, essentially, as far as the principle goes. But showing y'all a quick little
spin that backside again.
Bad video here.
Yeah. It's not supposed to do that.
Not that easy. Now, of course, it's supposed to move because it's a pump. It needs to, still needs to be moving freely. But it shouldn't. I shouldn't be able to just, throw it. I shouldn't be able to easily just spin it like that. Now, if I was to, I can just lightly go across it and it'll move. If I lightly go across this, it ain't going nowhere. I have to grab this and spin it. Should be like tight like that. So just wanted to show y'all, show you the difference between a good bearing and a water pump and a bad one. So we're gonna get ready to put this one back in, slap a new gasket on it. Just got done cleaning the surface on here. And real quick, when you guys are doing water pumps, not all of the gasket is gonna come off on the outside around these edges. Still gonna be gasket on the side here sometimes. So you want to make sure you get you a razor blade, like a razor blade holder or some sort of chisel, something real smooth. But you don't want to go too aggressive and damage the metal finish on the motor, or else you won't have it even sitting. So, but you want to make sure you scrape that clean, make it look good. It's a clean surface, it's smooth. So when you put this new gasket on, it's even, it's flush, it's settled, it's good. So when you tighten these bolts on, they have an even torque across the board. So, all right, y'all, stay tuned for the next video. I'm getting ready to slap this bad boy in. It's nice talking to y'all again.